Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that arises when working with weak pointers in C++. You see, when we use the weak_ptr, use_cal function, it's supposed to tell us how many shared_ptr instances are sharing ownership of a pointer. But here's the twist: the use_count function can sometimes return a different count than expected. So, when does this discrepancy occur? Let's find out together. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. The key lies in the definition provided in the C++ standard draft. The use_cal function, when called on a weak_ptr, returns the number of shared_ptr instances that share ownership with the weak_ptr. It's pretty straightforward, right? But here's the kicker: even when all the shared_ptr instances have been released, a call to weak_ptr, use_cal can still return 0. Talk about a sneaky little detail. In conclusion, the use_cal function in C++ can sometimes throw us a curveball, especially when dealing with weak pointers. Remember, even when all shared pointers have said their goodbyes, a weak pointer's use_cal can still come back with a big fat 0. Well, it's been a pleasure exploring this quirky aspect of C++ with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!